Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best wheelbarrow for gardening you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, most importantly reviews of actual user. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best wheelbarrow for gardening in the market. So let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Best Choice Dual Wheelyard Wheelbarrow. The Best Choice product's 5 cubic foot wheelbarrow stood out for its steel looped handlebar. It has a thick padded foam covering that made it very comfortable to lift and push the wheelbarrow even when full. With how easy it was to push or pull the wheelbarrow over all sorts of obstacles that are commonly found in a landscape, including mulch, grass, gravel, pavement, and even across lawn edging. It took us just slightly over 30 minutes to assemble, and we found the instructions fairly easy to follow. One downside, though, was that the double air-filled 13-inch wheels were not received inflated, so we had to pump them up before we could test the wheelbarrow's performance. Built with inflatable 13-inch rubber wheels for a sturdy build that makes it easy to steer the cart on various terrains. For details, let's watch more. Our second best wheelbarrow for gardening is Gorilla Cart's Polygarden Dump Cart. The Polygarden Dump Cart features patented quick-release dumping technology, which allows this cart to be loaded and unloaded quickly and easily. Its balanced 4-wheel design lets this cart maneuver easily on heavy terrain, even when fully loaded, making the Polygarden Dump Cart a great alternative to the traditional wheelbarrow. The newly designed Gorilla Cart's GOR 4PS Polygarden Dump Cart makes hauling and unloading heavy loads easy on any terrain. This is a plastic 4 cubic foot wheelbarrow with a steel frame for extra durability, and we found it sturdy enough to tote a full load of bags of mulch and then dump them out without issues. One downside, though, to this wheelbarrow is its handles, which we found to be hard and uncomfortable when lifting or pushing without gloves. But with work gloves on, it was easy to push the wheelbarrow forward, pull it back, or maneuver it around curves without much effort. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is VIVOSUN Folding Collapsible Wagon Utility Outdoor Camping Cart. It was quite easy to maneuver the wheelbarrow through gravel, over mulch, and across the pavement, but we did find it a bit tippy when making turns, although nothing fell out of the wheelbarrow and we never felt out of control. The steel double handles have a rubbery grip that makes them easy to grasp but isn't thick enough to add any cushioning. Still, we found it comfortable to push the wheelbarrow, even with a full load. This collapsible wagon is made of 600 Oxford fabric and PVC materials that are durable, waterproof, and won't tear when you put something sharp inside. Easy to disassemble and clean. Built with an adjustable handle that rotates smoothly as you need. The handle locks in place with a joint so it won't drop, and there's no need to worry about an out-of-control wagon. Designed with 360-degree rotating front wheels that move smoothly over all kinds of terrain. No matter which direction you want to go, you'll have no trouble wheeling this bad boy around. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Simplay 3 Easy Haul Wheelbarrow. This 4-wheeled garden cart has a patented quick-release dumping mechanism that lifts and tilts the body of the cart to unload its contents with only a little assistance from the user. We built this company to bring laughter and ease to life with products that have simple and smart designs to tackle everyday needs, from children's play to home and garden. From durable products to help you through a day to products that reach, carry, hold, and support with strength, quality, and great design. Our products are made in America by American workers. We at Simplay 3 want to provide simple solutions for your work and play. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the Easy Haul Wheelbarrow features 2 easy grip handles, a convenient tool tray, and a flat floor to keep planters from tipping. Its easy to maintain and heavy-duty, double-wall construction means this yard and garden cart will stand up to the elements for years of use. 2 large wheels are designed for easy rolling, turning, pivoting, and maneuvering. Smooth handle is easy to grip for stable loading, moving, and unloading. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best wheelbarrow for gardening list is Garden Star Barrow Dual Wheel Wheelbarrow. The Garden Barrow has a durable plastic rust-proof 8-inch tray depth. The loop handle and 2 air-filled pneumatic tires makes the Garden Barrow easier to lift, balance, and maneuver around most terrains. Push, pull, and dump mulch, sand, dirt, gravel, garden debris, and more. This is a perfect cart for hauling weeding, other small yard garden projects. With easy assembly, this wheelbarrow is built to last. If you need a sturdy workhorse to carry big loads of landscaping materials, then you'll like this 75 cubic feet plastic wheelbarrow from Rubbermaid as much as we do. We loved that no assembly was required, and the 2 20-inch wheels are flat-free, so require no filling with air nor worrying about a flat tire. Plus, they roll very smoothly over all types of terrain. The Garden Barrow features a 4 cubic foot polypropylene plastic, durable, impact resistance, no rust tray. The tray allows for ease in dumping any materials and smaller loads. The Garden Barrow can hold a variety of items such as small rocks, mulch, bark bags, yard waste, hay, debris, more. For details, let's watch more.